Artificial intelligence has been a figment of the imagination and science fiction, from Star Wars and its AI droids to the Disney movies such as Wall-E. But recently, AI has become a reality, especially with the launch of ChatGPT. But what is the history of AI? And what is its future? Today at Finance Per, we'll learn about the rise of AI and its future. But if you like this video, don't forget to click that subscribe button and click that notification bell for more upcoming videos. AI has been a part of society ever since we started creating myths and legends. Giant guardians made of bronze named Talos protected the island of Crete in Greek mythology. Brazen heads and golems from the late medieval periods and the oldest automata that were used in ancient Egypt. And these ideas and myths started to become a reality when the computer was created. During the 40s and 50s, artificial intelligence research was created as an academic discipline by scientists and mathematicians. One of those scientists was Alan Turing, the famous scientist who broke the German Enigma code that was instrumental in winning World War II. He published a paper in 1950 that speculated about the possibility of creating machines that think. He also noted that thinking is difficult to define and devised his famous Turing Test. Now, a Turing test is to assess a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior that is different from a human. It involves a human judge engaging in conversation with both a machine and a human, and if the judge cannot reliably determine which is which, the machine is considered to have passed the test. In 1951, Christopher Stacy and Dietrich Prinz, one of the pioneers of computer science, created an AI program using the Ferranti Mark I computer from the University of Manchester. Stacy created a program for checkers, and Prinz for chess. The AI was able to achieve sufficient skill to challenge an amateur chess player. By the year 1956, the Dartmouth workshop the name artificial intelligence was accepted in the whole field, and it was considered the birth of AI. In 1962, Steve Russell created the first AI game called Space War. It was created as a two-player game, but the addition of an AI-controlled spaceship made it a single-player game. This spawned the revolution of gaming and developed more complex AIs that can sometimes outsmart the players. With better graphics and improved AI, games have grown from simple pixelated games to complex, realistic games. Let's jump to the 2010s. As AI was developed, researchers focused on the creation of deep learning. But what is deep learning? Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that focuses on training artificial intelligence with multiple layers to learn and extract data. Now, this involves the use of algorithms and architectures that can copy the structure and function of the human brain. Deep learning models are good with tasks such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and computer vision, and by automatically learning complex patterns and features from large amounts of data. In other terms, AI still needs assistance when it comes to learning skills and abilities. Machine learning is also one of the key drivers of the rise of AI. By feeding data to these machines' learning algorithms and systems, these machines can then learn to recognize patterns and make predictions using the data they gathered. Do you think AI is good or damaging to society? I want to know your comments down below. But if you like this video, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos about finance, technology, and business. During the pandemic, AI has been developing quietly, but by late 2022, ChatGPT was released by OpenAI, an American artificial intelligence research laboratory. TikTok was also the main reason why AI has become famous instantaneously. Although TikTok does use AI, especially with its user-based algorithm, it was the users that spread the use of AI-generated images that are only limited by the user's imagination. Regulation soon followed with these AIs, and then people started creating deepfake videos aided by AI. Do you want to see Harry Potter using Balenciaga? AI can create it. AI also helped in the research by gathering data from the internet. Asking AI questions has never been easier. Although it is similar to what Google searches are, AI-generated questions tend to summarize the answers Google will show. Although these answers are not always accurate, it has proven itself as reliable and capable. AI has already transformed many industries. In healthcare, AI is being used to create and improve medical diagnosis and drug discovery, making it more efficient and streamlined. AI has also changed finance. It is being used for credit scoring, fraud detection, and risk assessment. AI made production efficient too. By using data gathered, AI has made production much better and improved quality control. Chatbots and automation are being used in marketing and business too. Tesla is creating AI with self-driving cars, and Amazon with its robots in the production lines. Sam Altman, CEO and founder of OpenAI, stated that AI is building technology that would solve some of the most pressing problems, increasing the standard of living, and also figuring out much better uses for human will and creativity. But the effects of AI are already visible. But would AI go rogue against us, Terminator style? Senior lecturer in computer science Mauro Vallati stated that there is no risk of AI taking over the world because physical laws of the universe pose some very constraining hard limits. The fear is that AI would be smarter than humans. AI has become smarter over the years, but AI still lacks creativity, emotional intelligence, and problem-solving skills that a human can do. But the very purpose of AI is to improve human lives, not take over it. AI still needs humanity to feed it new data and learning. While the risk of an AI going rogue is almost non-existent, there are always people who could use AI to their advantage. AI has rapidly developed as new technology emerges. It will also aid in the development and creation of more advanced technologies leading to more advanced AI. What is sure is that AI would help humanity progress and improve human lives. But if you're interested in learning about Tesla's Cybertruck or Nokia's rise and fall, check out our channel for more content and videos about finance stories, new technology, and business tips and ideas. For now, this is Finance Spur. See you on our next video.